In the heart of South Africa's Eastern Cape, behind the stately facade of the Mthatha High Court, an unsettling story strikes at the core of the justice system. An investigation by the Southern Africa Accountability Journalism Project has confirmed what many local attorneys had whispered about for years, that court officials in Mthatha have been soliciting bribes, sometimes as high as 15,000 rands, just to do their jobs. Filing documents, allocating a court date, accessing court records. These are not privileges. They are the routine, day-to-day workings of any functioning court. Yet in Mthatha, it appears those basic functions are being held hostage behind a paywall of corruption. Many of these tasks are fundamental to the legal process, and withholding them has the potential to harm people who approach the courts for relief. The reality described in testimonies gathered by investigators, lawyers speaking only under condition of anonymity, fearful of retribution from the very officials meant to uphold justice, is grim. The allegations first surfaced in a confidential letter sent to senior judiciary officials late last year. Since then, there has been silence. The investigation by the SAAJP explains that attorneys report a troubling pattern. Certain law firms seem to get faster service, their filings processed with ease, their hearings scheduled without delay. This is corroborated by a cursory examination of Mthatha court rolls, which suggests that some firms are indeed getting many more court dates than others. For others, the path is filled with bureaucratic roadblocks. Unless, of course, a bribe exchanges hands. And the price? It isn't always cash. Some allegations describe inappropriate demands, including personal favors, made in exchange for official acts. In other words, a justice system bent to the whims of those inside it. So far, some of the officials implicated have denied wrongdoing. Others simply haven't responded. And while the Office of the Chief Justice publicly champions a policy of zero tolerance for corruption, it remains unclear what specific actions, if any, are being taken in Mthatha. Nkomonde, the spokesperson for the Office of the Chief Justice, was invited last week to reconsider his original response to queries, in which he failed to say anything specific about how the Office of the Chief Justice was dealing with the complaints against Mthatha High Court officials. He responded, "Kindly make use of the response previously provided." You can read the full story now on Daily Maverick.